Today we are talking all about 6th grade electives. What are we planning on doing for our 6th grade electives? Now, in our state, we are required to teach social studies / history, science, math, English, and reading every year. And so these are the subjects that either I have chosen for my daughter or she has chosen for herself that will go beyond those core subjects. So let's get started. First up is Song School Spanish. We are almost halfway through the second book of Song School Spanish, and so we will be finishing it up. And then we're going to be looking for something else Spanish related probably in January. We have not been the greatest with art in our homeschool. And so this year we are going to be trying the art lessons for a living education from MasterBooks. It does come with the textbook as well as the teacher's manual. This is a 36-week course, but it's only 2 days a week for those 36 weeks. And so we will be utilizing art for just 2 days a week. And that is really something that you're going to be seeing throughout these electives is we are only doing them 1 to 2 days a week. And some of them we will not even be doing every week. And these are electives that are planned for the whole year and then sometimes even for 2 years. And we'll get to that in just a few minutes. This past year, we discovered the Where'd You Learn That Song studies and really enjoyed them. So we are going to be doing 2 of these song studies for 6th grade. One is Amazing Grace, and then the second one is the Star-Spangled Banner. The Star-Spangled Banner does have 14 lessons. So if we do 1 lesson a week, then we will utilize this for basically the first semester, and then we can do the other one for the second semester. My daughter does really enjoy cooking, and she likes science with experiments. So anything that's that hands-on kinesthetics, she loves. So I found the Introduction to Food Science. Now we are planning on utilizing this for the winter months primarily. When we can't get outside quite so much and we'll be inside more, we're going to be doing some of these food experiments and learning all about food science. This past year, my daughter loved Mindbenders and she finished the whole book. She flew through it. I don't think she is quite ready for the next level of Mindbenders, which starts with grades 7. And so I found some other Mindbender type activity books from the same company. So it's from the Critical Thinking Company. So we're going to be doing the Crypto Mindbenders Classical Jokes as well as the Crypto Mindbenders Famous Quotations. And I think those will be a lot of fun. We're also going to be looking at the Balance Benders, which is for grades 4 through 12. And so it has a lot of critical thinking in it as well. She will also be continuing with horseback riding, which is an elective that she is really enjoying. I did find the Applying the Bill of Rights to Real Cases. This is for grades 6 through 12. They do recommend that you get the teacher's manual with it. But what it is you're going to have real cases and you get to utilize your knowledge of the Bill of Rights on how you would judge the case. And so you're going to have to build your arguments based on the Bill of Rights. And I'm really excited for this. I'm not quite sure how fast we will be going through this. I'm anticipating it probably will take us 2 years to make it through this book. It is separated by the amendments, but then you have multiple cases for each amendment. And so this has 75 actual cases, and then we can see if my daughter agrees with what the Supreme Court said. Next is the one that she chose. This is what she is most excited about, and I'm a little concerned to see how it impacts her arguing skills because it is the art of the argument. This is one of the only books that she has ever taken when she saw them all laid out, taken it, started reading it. I had to ask her where it was so that I can make the video, but she is excited about the art of argument, and it also comes with a teacher's key. Now, this is recommended for middle school and above. So again, I'm not quite sure how fast we'll be going through this since she is going into 6th grade, but I'm really going to let her lead how much we do with this each week. I am looking forward to it because she is so excited about this elective. She will be doing some volunteer hours. I have put together a list of different places that she can choose from, and she will be responsible for a specific number of volunteer hours each week. And this is not included in our family volunteer hours. This is her specifically, her volunteer hours that she is responsible for. I don't believe that we will be able to get through every page in all of these electives, but we are going to start really drilling down with what she is most interested in and make sure that we continue with a few that I think are the most important, such as Spanish. If you are interested in our core 6th grade curriculum, please click here.